This case considered the issue of constructive trusts and whether or not a government official held in trust properties that he purchased with bribery money received whilst he worked for the government. In this case, a man was convicted of bribery whilst working for the government and used the money to purchase two properties in New Zealand. The government lodged caveats to prevent the sale of these properties, but the New Zealand courts refused to allow the lodgement of them on the basis that the government had no equitable interest in the properties. The government argued that they did have an equitable right, as the man's employer, to trace the proceeds of the bribe which was used to purchase the properties. The government argued that the man had breached his fiduciary duty, that he derived a benefit from doing so, and therefore held on trust the proceeds of this benefit. The central issue for the court was whether or not the government had an equitable interest in the properties. The court ultimately held that the